Hear me, you, with my broken story, with wounds no one could see. I tried every other answer, but mercy waited here for me. Through the crowd I reached for Jesus, with a hope I couldn't hide. Just one touch, just one moment, and my shame was pushed aside. And you said your faith has healed you. Go in peace, be restored. What the world could never fix, you made whole, my Lord. You said your faith has healed you. Now I stand in victory. By the power of your compassion, I am healed, I am free. Cried out from the side of the road, blind eyes longing for the light. Others tried to silence my worship, but faith gave me a voice that night. When you stopped and spoke my name, darkness lost its hold on me. By your word my eyes were open. Now I see what faith believes. And you said your faith has healed you. Rise and walk again. What was lost has been restored by the mercy of the Lamb. You said your faith has healed you. Let your hurt be made new. I believe in who you are, and your word has brought me through. I reach, I believe, I trust in your word. I stand on your words. I'm what you have said. Faith is rising, hope is alive, healing is flowing right now. I return like the one who came back to give thanks for what you've done. Not just healed, but saved forever. By the grace of God's own Son, I fall down at your feet, Jesus. With a grateful heart I stay. Your faith has made you well.